Hello, hello. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Raven. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, if you like makeup, you like chit chat, you like a couple of pro tips, a little bit of gossip, a little bit of kikiing, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you will not be disappointed, hunty. Y'all, I have missed you guys so much and I really wanted to get a video out for you. It is 11:05 at night and I just thought, while it's quiet, people kind of simmering down around here, I thought that maybe I could just pour up a little drinky drink and we could kiki. First of all, don't clock this, okay? Girl, why would this nail break literally right before I hit the record button? Like, you couldn't just hold it down for like a couple of more hours, just a little bit longer. I was like, damn, girl, like you ain't gotta just do me like that. But yeah, I really did miss you guys. Mama's been MIA. Child, I have just been going through a lot, to be totally honest and to be transparent. Mentally, I have been super fucking drained and I haven't really been in the spirit to film. Like, I've been really wanting to sit down and connect with you guys and just like talk to you, catch up on life, all that good stuff. But it's like when it comes down to getting ready and just sitting and turning the camera on, I can't bring myself to it. I haven't been able to bring myself to it, and I did not want to put out like half-ass content, I didn't want to just sound and look really tired, really drained, and I hope I'm not giving y'all that energy today. Plus, I just needed time to like clear all of that stuff out. I didn't really want to not that this is considered work for me, but like I didn't want to like do any kind of work like filming and editing and just not be me on camera. When you sit and you film sometimes, and I did try to sit in front of this little vanity here and film and talk, and it didn't come out right because I just was not there. So I feel like I'm here now. I'm in a pretty good space, and again, I'm missing y'all. I just want to catch up, see what y'all up to. And the reason why we're here today is because my homegirl K Brittany, make sure you follow her on Instagram. She put me on to these products. We were doing a Clubhouse a couple of weeks ago, maybe like a month ago or so. If y'all are on Clubhouse, you need to be following us at the Beauty Social Network. But like, there's literally so much that has happened since that Clubhouse. So many tips and tricks and things that I have found out. If you don't know, Beauty Social Network, we're on Clubhouse pretty much every Saturday, and we just share beauty tips, makeup advice, industry advice, social media growth tips, business advice, so on and so forth. It is just like a virtual girls hangout spot. So definitely make sure you follow us. Hit me up if you do so I can follow you back. There have just been so many tips and tricks that have dropped lately, and I've been wanting to try this stuff out. And one thing that she put me onto was these little Girl Correctors, these little pigments that you can mix with your foundations, and you can totally alter the appearance of your foundation. Like, let me show you. So these are the 3 colors. They have a couple more colors than this. They have several colors actually, but I picked up these 3 because I thought that this would be the most beneficial for me and my current foundations, the situation that I got going on. So let me break these down to you. This white one, this is going to lighten your overall foundation color. So if your foundation is too dark, which is the problem that I'm having, everything is way too dark, way too warm. My Nebraska complexion compared to my California complexion, girl, you talk about a day and night difference, honey. And so I am finding that here I definitely need a winter and summer foundation. There I got away with using the same shade pretty much all year round, because I was outside a lot. I was getting bronze like from the neck down. Everything was okay. I was even Steven for the most part. But here, no sis, we are washed out and hung out to dry. This is going to be your best friend to lighten your overall foundation shade. I know y'all seen this blue and you're like, it's giving Aladdin, sis, the genie in a bottle. This is going to be your best friend for neutralizing your foundation. So neutralizing as in, this is going to add a slightly cool tone. If you go OD on this, you're going to be looking real pinky gray almost. So be careful. Think of it, yes, you want to cool things down. You want to add a little bit more of a neutral tone. So that's where this blue comes in. You can also probably get this if you want to do a little blue man group cosplay. Halloween, she is right around the corner. And last but not least, we have the yellow. It shifts a little bit lighter in shade to more of a warmer tone. If you forget, everything is on the back too. You might have just saw me look at that. That's Sephora Employee 101. Anytime somebody's at Sephora and they're like, oh, what does this product do? What does that product do? And you're like, bitch, I don't freaking know. Like, but I just started. This just came out yesterday. You're like, girl, I don't know what the hell this does. And you just look at it real quick and you be like, oh, yeah, it says it does this. And they're like, sold, add it to the basket. So just a little pro tip for you. So again, quick recap. Lighten, Cool down. I know I kept saying neutralize, neutralize, but like, let's just cool things down with the blue. And lighter and a little bit warmer. Everything is primed, everything is moisturized, you know, our skin is nice and prepped, so I think we're pretty much good to go ahead and just get started. For YouTube purposes, we are going to be using this little mixing palette. I just got this from Amazon. It was like $4 and it came with this little plastic case and the spatula. I'm going to be using this to dispense my pigments on, as well as my foundation. So this is going to be a little bit of like a kindergarten art project, if you will. I call myself what do you call it? I want to say dermaplaning, but that's not what it is. That's not what it is. Not microderm. Oh, I did get laser. I did get laser on my chin and my underarm and my girl hood area, and it was an amazing experience, y'all. She waxed my booty hole and I was like, I feel like I should take her on a proper date or something. Epilate. I epilated my face and I really fucked myself up. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way. This is the shade Maple. Let me show you what Maple looks like. I could only find a little concealer brush for some reason with all these brushes sitting in front of me. I'm just going to do a couple of stripes because I want you to see the difference. Like, you see how warm that is? When you first look at it, it's not so bad, and probably on camera it's not the worst, but literally this foundation oxidizes like immediately, and I can totally see the difference, especially in the undertone between my face, my neck, and my chest. So that's not cute. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little buffing brush and we're just gonna blend this out, because I'm gonna do my regular foundation on this side, and then I'm gonna do this little mixing situation on this side. Now that I'm zoomed in, can you guys tell the difference? There is definitely a difference between the warmth, again, of my skin, of my face, between my neck and my chest. So, I don't know with this lighting. I feel like this lighting is kind of playing tricks a little bit. But let's go ahead and kind of get to mixing and playing with these pigments, and then we're really going to see if it makes a difference. Look at that! A little heart came out! So cute! Oh my god, this is like dripping. Here's a foundation brush. I think I want to mix a little bit of yellow. Girl, who is that texting me? I'm mixing my yellow and white together. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is a really, really pretty shade, actually. This is looking pretty, like, spot on to my complexion, no? It's like disappearing into my skin. Wow. Okay, so what if I mix a little bit of, oh, not cute. If I mix a little bit of that blue, it's too many undertones. It's gonna go peach real fast. That might be good on my chin though. On like problem areas. Okay. Let me just see. Bitch, are you for real? This foundation is starting to look so good, and it has not looked good in like months. So this is my concoction right here, and I'm literally just I'm literally just going to swirl them all together. We're looking real peach. Oh my gosh. Wait. Hold on. I'm trying to go as fast as possible because I don't know. I'm just like always in a hurry. Where am I going at 11 o'clock at night? Okay, we are running into a problem in the chin area because that area is so dark. I'm definitely turning gray. Hold on, because like I'm losing my wig. Literally, she's running away from me. I'm so sorry. I'm like looking all off to the side. I'm kind of crazy. My mirror's back here, so yeah. I'm just trying to focus and look in that. Sorry about that, guys. My camera overheated, and when my phone went off and I was like, who is that texting me? It was my friend, and I got their daughter a gift and they just gave it to her, and she seems so happy. So she sent me a little thank you video, and I'm just tickled to pieces by it. It just made my entire night. Oh, speaking of what made my night, can I show you something? I got these wine like lip tints, lip stains. I got these on Amazon and they're all wines. Look at them. Aren't these so cute? They're all little bottles of wine. So hold on, I have to open one because they just bring me such joy. Look at this. Is this not the cutest little thing in the world? I just think they're so cute. They're so tiny and adorable, and I love wine. I would definitely go in and feel really comfortable doing like a full coverage foundation with this. I don't really think that, you know, these pigments altered the consistency too much in my foundation. So I think we should do a little bit of a layer of concealer. We should maybe highlight and contour a little bit and see what really happened. So I don't think I'm gonna do my makeup too crazy. I was gonna do like a whole eyeshadow look and everything to wrap it up, but it's just so late already. I'm gonna do my highlight and contour routine. I'm gonna do that on camera, just speed it up. I am so sorry, my camera literally keeps on overheating. I have this like LED light and it's bright as hell directly behind it, so homegirl is not trying to hang in today. But I did want to just show you, because I feel like my face is looking really good and I'm feeling like, girl, we might just have a perfect match. I don't know. I'm still feeling pretty warm as I'm looking at it again, but you know, we still got a highlight, boo. We might not contour too heavy or stick to something a little bit more cool toned than we normally do, but sis, this is the tea. This is really the tea. Like, I'm at. Oh, OMG, you guys, I'm like literally fangirling so hard right now. Like, I cannot even believe that my foundation looks so good. It's so full coverage. I mean, I do have a lot of concealer on, but y'all, this match, it does still read a little bit more for looking at, you know, I'm feeling like I'm like 3 shades happening right now, but for the most part I feel like I'm looking pretty doggone uniform. I'm not gonna go in too much with contour. I am gonna stick to like a cream and concealer. I'm not really gonna bronze because I've already got enough warmth happening in my face and not so much in my body. But yes, girl, what was that? What was it? Like fucking Joe Camel over here. What was that about? I'm not gonna be able to do my contour on camera. I'm so sorry, but this girl is overheating and I want to wrap this up. This dog is barking. I know y'all hear her. So it's late. Let me wrap this up. Let me contour, put my lashes on, and then we're gonna do like our final verdict. Okay, all right guys, so this is the final look. Let's talk about what we think about this foundation. Where do we start? I'm gonna start with the overall finish of everything. So if we are looking directly into our mirror that we've got conveniently placed right here, I would say that looking at it, I'm really happy with the finish of this foundation, especially the shade. Like, the shade looks really good. It looks pretty seamless, pretty spot on. Sorry if you see this mark. I was like swatching lip liners to see what color I wanted to put on. But with the highlight, with my blush, with my bronzer, contour, and everything, I'm thinking that my match looks really good. I'm feeling like yeah, my foundation is a little bit off, but also I feel like this is just something that most of us deal with anyway, especially when women of color, we deal with being multiple shades, and so sometimes our foundations just don't always look exactly 100% like our complexion. So I tried to balance it out the best way I could with some contour, with some highlight, with some other complexion products. I tried to like incorporate every shade that I have in my face back in when I'm doing my makeup, so that I'm not just one solid color with no definition. Girl, I am not mad at this. Like, I have a mirror back here, I've got lighting over here, and I just feel like I am just uncloggable, honey. Like, you really can't tell me nothing with this foundation. Do I think that you need these LA girl pigments? Sis, if you are an active makeup artist out here in these 2021 streets, go ahead and get yourself these LA girl pigments. I think it's going to save you a ton of money in your kits. I know when I first started out with makeup, I could not afford a bunch of foundation shades, and now that you need a ton anyway, it's always nice to see them visually and to know that you have everyone's shade in your kit. But ultimately, you don't necessarily need to carry 20 different foundation shades. You can kind of chop it down into like 5, 10 if you count these correctors. I think that if you're a working girl or guy out here, you definitely need them. As far as just being a makeup junkie, a fanatic, why not? These are super cheap. They're like $5, $6 or something like that. They're under 10. I'm pretty certain on Amazon. When I went to Ulta, did I get them for under 10? I believe so. But you know, Ulta be having like them buy one get one half off deals and stuff, sis. So go ahead and look at your local Ulta, see if they got these girls on sale. If not, you know that you can always get them on Amazon. Again, they should be under $10 in both places, but do not quote me on that. But I'm more than positive. I want you to quote me, but I don't. In case I'm wrong, I don't want you to come for me. They are very budget friendly, and again, if you are working out here and you are just getting into makeup, maybe you will love these because they are really going to help to make your foundations and your concealers. They're going to give you the range, girl. I'm very happy with them. I'm super glad that I picked them up, and if you have them, please let me know if you like them, or if you're looking into getting them, let me know how you think about them, girl. Let me know how you think about them. Let me know what you think about them, sis. Let me know how you like them and what you think about them, girl, because I'm shook. It's been a long time since I was really wowed by a beauty product because there's just been so much coming out in beauty. And although these are not new products by any means, I'm just really happy with the performance of them. There's something that I wish I would have had in my makeup kit a long periodically a time ago. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that it was educational, informative, beneficial for you, honey. I hope that you take something away from it. As always, if you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe so that you're always in the loop whenever your girl uploads a new video. All right, you guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.